I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can add Apple Pay to Uber. First off, you want to go to your main dashboard here and you want to go to accounts. After that, on accounts, you'll see that there's a couple of options like help, wallet, trips, and then on the other one on the bottom. But of course, the one we want to focus on here is wallet. Now on wallet here, if you don't have Apple Pay already integrated, you can see on my screen here right now, there is already Apple Pay integrated. But if you don't have Apple Pay already added or integrated, you just want to click on Add Payment Method or Redeem Gift Cards. Now on Add Payment Method or Redeem Gift Cards, you can see it'll open up this UI or dashboard here. It'll say a couple of payment methods and a couple of other gift cards that's available. Of course, just pick Apple Pay to find your Apple Pay to integrate it to Uber. But after that, you're done. That's it. If you want to use Apple Pay on your Uber trip, I'll show you how as well. So for example, here, we're gonna move on to our actual Uber. Now you can see where to, just enter the destination and then find your Uber, click on tap. And then on the tap section here, it'll open up the payment method here. Make sure to pick Apple Pay. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.